I'm making this video on August 20th, 2021. The date's important because this process may change, and so it might not apply to you when you're watching this video. I'm also talking about cases in McLennan County. Chances are, if you're somewhere else, these cases are going to be handled differently. For the last several months, if you've been arrested for possessing less than 2 ounces of marijuana, police have generally been issuing a citation or a ticket. In the past, that's a Class B misdemeanor, which you could have been arrested for, taken to jail, and forced to post bond. Instead, now, most departments are issuing a ticket or a citation, which requires you to go report to the local JP office. We get a lot of calls about this, and occasionally even have the courts refer people to us. So I'm making this video to explain the process so you'll know how to handle this situation. PTIP refers to pretrial intervention, and the best way to describe that is to compare it to probation. In normal probation, you go to court, you get placed on probation, and you get placed under the supervision of a probation department. That requires you to do a number of things, including report and be supervised by a probation officer. Under pretrial intervention, you don't go to court, but instead you sign an agreement which requires you to do several things. If you complete that agreement, your case is dismissed and you never have to go set foot in a courtroom. For marijuana cases under 2 ounces, you're automatically eligible for PTIP. And this is one case where you don't need a lawyer to do this. In fact, if you call us up, we're probably going to tell you that you can handle it on your own and give you the same advice that we're giving in this video. The only time this isn't a good idea is if you're contesting guilt or you believe you're not guilty, because the PTIP process requires you to admit guilt as part of the application that you submit. So if that's the situation, you still need to contact a lawyer, and we'll be happy to talk with you about that. So how do you take advantage of this? All you have to do is go to the PTIP office and show them your citation or your ticket. The office is located at 520 Columbus Avenue here in Waco. They'll show you the application and go over it with you. Generally, you're going to be on pretrial diversion for a period of 6 months. During that time, you're going to have to do things like undergo random drug testing, take a drug education class, and do some community service. If you do those things, at the end of the 6 months, your case is going to be dismissed and you're not going to have a criminal record. We have another video which explains the pretrial diversion or the PTIP process in more detail. So if you want more information on that, please go watch that. If you found this helpful, please like this video and provide a comment. And please share this with your friends. Our goal is to educate people about their rights so that you can make an informed decision. If you still have questions, please feel free to give us a call. We're here to help.